guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie. This is Unfiltered 50s, and on this channel we do a lot of talking about unboxings, about product reviews, and I tell you what I really think about them. And if you like that type of content, then go ahead and click on the big red subscribe button down below and become part of the family here on Unfiltered 50s. In today's video, I am really excited to do this video. I'm going to be showing you how I got this beautiful smoky eye look using the Makeup Revolution Color Book CB01 Shadow Palette. This palette was gifted to me by my lovely BFF Jess. That's right, you guys know her. She is my partner with the Dynamic Duo, and we are doing a Dynamic Duo giveaway on today's video. I'm going to show you how I like to use this palette, how versatile this palette can be, how wonderful it is, and the fact that if you haven't picked up the Jeffree Star Cremated palette, then just don't, because this palette right here really just rips it to shreds in my opinion. Oops, that's part of the unfiltered part coming out of me. So yeah, I have the Cremated palette. I'm not that big of a fan. I actually haven't been that big of a fan of the last two palettes from Jeffree Star that I bought, the Bloodlust or the Cremated palette. They just aren't that great to me, guys. They just really aren't. That again is the unfiltered part coming out of me. But let me tell you, this palette right here I am a big fan of, and guess what, we're tagging up to do a Dynamic Duo giveaway on that palette. So if you want to see how I created this look and get in on that giveaway, then just keep watching. We're getting into it right now on Unfiltered 50s. Stick around, guys. You're not going to want to miss this. I am so excited to do this video. I am going to be doing for you a look with the Revolution. That's cricket. I was like, what is that noise? Oh my goodness. I'm going to be doing for you a look with the Makeup Revolution Color Book. This is the Grayscale palette. This is a dupe for the Jeffree Star Cremated palette. This is a really lovely palette. I have played in this a couple of times already. My friend Jess gifted this to me, and we are going to be doing a giveaway with these palettes. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my channel. She's going to be doing a giveaway on her channel. We're going to be doing it Dynamic Duo team style giveaway like we always do. So stick around to the end to see what you have to put in the comment section. I wanted to say description box so bad, but in the comment section for the giveaway. But anyway, this side of the palette is all shimmer. It corresponds to, it has one of these really nice, like the Natasha Denona palettes, where her cream side has a flip, a plexiglass flip side, and then that covers up the shimmer side, and then on this side you have all mattes. Very, very nice packaging, but yet they're very cost efficient. So I really, really like the style of these color book palettes. Again, they come in like a pink, an orange or warm palette, a violet, purple tone palette, this color. I can't remember what all. I think Jess has them all. But they are just really, really lovely. So once again, thank you BFF for gifting me this. I really appreciate it. I love it. So, and it makes a wonderful, wonderful look. I actually like this better than my Cremated palette, if you want to know the truth. So, yeah. So let's just get started with the look. So I am going to go in kind of about middle of the palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to go in, and the only thing is they don't have a mirror. But I'm sure that you all have a mirror that you can use. And this is kind of one of those tones that has a little bit of a blue tinge to it. And what I have on my eyes so far is I have something that I'm really, really loving. It is one of the new cream shadows from ColourPop. And I have my shade in the shade Laurel. And guys, if you are a fan of the ColourPop, if you are a fan of the MAC paint pots, especially the one in Painterly, as using that as an eye primer, then you would love the ColourPop cream shadow in Laurel. They have one called Bronco that would probably be more along the lines of soft ochre. And then they have another one, and I can't remember the shade name off the top of my head, but it would be more like maybe groundwork. But what I really, really love about the ColourPop is that I actually think that it just might be a little bit more creamy, a little bit more hydrating, a little bit more moisturizing than even the MAC. And at my age, I really, really need that. So I am just loving them. They come in this little container here. And this is, again, the shade Laurel. It's just wonderful. I'm loving it. And I know another one of my great friends, Catherine McCarty, loves the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. So Catherine, if you happen to watch this video, you need to get on that website. And they could be sold out right now, but if you put in for ColourPop to email you when they're back in stock, they will. And these are very, very nice. They have a lovely, cute little cactus design on them. The packaging couldn't be cuter. I am using the Patrick Star One Size Liner. This was another thing that Jess gifted me with for my birthday. And I have mine in busty brown, and it's the Point Made eyeliners, and these are so good. So I went ahead and put that on. And the brush I'm using is a Wayne Goss 03 on the Anniversary collection. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit deeper for my outer V color. So I'm going to drop down into this shade right here. And I'm really just concentrating the color on the end of the brush. Just taking that up into the crease and then just bringing that up in a flicking motion upward. And then I'm going to take some of that underneath my lower lash line. Okay, now for a little bit of shimmer, let's flip over to the other side. And let's go into this really pretty light color right here. Let's get a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. Put a little bit of brightness in my inner corner. Let me put on some mascara. I'll be right back. I am finished putting on my mascara. I used the Milk Kush Lash Primer. I rather like this for my dinky little eyelashes. And then I once again went in with my favorite, which is the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. That is my favorite from the drugstore. I guess that's just my overall favorite because I don't have a favorite high-end. I really don't do high-end mascaras. I guess I don't see the point in high-end mascaras. I'd rather spend my money on something other than mascara if I'm going to spend money on high-end products. So yeah. But anyway, let me know what you think about this look. I really like this palette for a gray, smoky eye look. I really like it a lot. So yeah, I've been very disappointed in my last two Jeffree Cosmetics palettes. The Bloodlust, I think it was, the purple one. Did not like that palette, and I haven't really liked the Cremated palette either. So, but I do like this one. I think this is a very good option if you're looking for a smoky eye. Love it. It's a very, very good one. And like I said, we are giving away the Revolution Color Book 01 Shadow Palette. If you would like to win this palette, then just put in your comment down below the word book. That's right, the word that I will be using in my random comment selector is the word book. And so this can be yours. You just have to be subscribed to my channel, be subscribed to Jess's channel, and leave in your comment selector down below the word book. And for the disclaimer, you do have to be 18 years or older. This giveaway is not in any way, shape, form, or fashion in cahoots with YouTube. This is my giveaway, Jess's giveaway, just because we really adore you and we love giving back to our subscribers. So you must be 18 years or older, be subscribed to both of our channels, and leave a comment down below in the comment section containing some way, shape, form, or fashion the word book. I will use the random comment picker to select the winner, and I will base that comment, filter that comment by the word book. I will filter out duplicate entries, so it doesn't do you any good to put in more than one entry. So yeah, just leave your comment down below and have your notification set to public so that I can verify that you are subscribed to the channels. And we will run this for 1 week from the air date. So look in the description box for the official end times for the giveaway if you're wanting to know that. I appreciate you tuning in for this video, and please rate the video, and I just appreciate all your love and support. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel but you'd like to be, then just click on the big red subscribe button down below. I will have Jess's channel linked, and also she will be a bobblehead at the end of the video. So all you have to do is click on her lovely picture, and that will take you straight to her channel where you can subscribe to her. It's really, really easy. So guys, we appreciate you so much, and hugs and kisses until next time. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.